Hello students, let us continue the session on integers. Today we shall be learning another very important concept called as subtraction of integers. We will learn the subtraction of integers using number line. We know that subtraction is inverse of addition. Therefore, to subtract an integer, we add its additive inverse. Let me first tell what is the meaning of additive inverse. Given a number, say 5, if you add one more number so that the sum becomes 0 is called as additive inverse. So for example, if 5 and minus 5 are added together, the resultant is 0. We have seen in previous session. For example, to find positive 5 minus positive 2, we add positive 5 with negative 2. So here I am taking the inverse of negative 2 and I am adding here. For doing it on a number line, let me first consider a number line. Now the number 5 has to be considered first, then we need to add negative 2. So in the addition of integers, we have seen when negative number is added, we move towards the left side. So we move 2 steps towards the left and we reach at 3. Therefore, when positive 5 is subtracted, positive 2 is subtracted from positive 5, instead of doing that, we are going to add positive 5 and negative 2. Therefore, the result obtained is positive 3. So on the number line, we move to the left of positive 5 by 2 steps. So positive 5 added to negative 2, the result is negative 3. Now we have subtracted 2 from 5. To understand it in better way, let's take up some examples and try subtracting them. First, let me subtract 4 from 7. Both are positive integers. When positive 7 and positive 4 are considered, 7 minus 4 is same as 7 added to the inverse of positive 4. So we move 4 steps to the left of 7 on the number line. Consider a number line. Start from 7. Move towards left 4 steps. We reach at positive 3. Hence, positive 7 added to negative 4 gives positive 3. It is same as subtracting positive 4 from positive 7. It is same when you write it in this format. The result obtained is positive 3. Let's see one more example. This time I would like to subtract a negative integer from another negative integer. So let me subtract negative 3 from negative 7. When negative 3 is subtracted from negative 7, instead we add positive 3. That is the inverse of negative 3. The result obtained is negative 4. We move 3 steps to the right from negative 7 on the number line. How we are going to do that? Let me first consider a number line. We'll start from -7 and we move 3 steps towards the right and we reach at -4. Hence, -3 subtracted from -7, the result is -4. When -3 is subtracted from -7, the result is -4. So what did we learn now? When an integer b is subtracted from another integer a, instead of doing this, we are going to add them by taking the inverse, additive inverse of b. Instead of telling additive inverse, I may also say I'll subtract b from a. We need to change the sign of b and then add it to a. Suppose if 10 minus 3 is there, instead of doing subtraction, we are going to add by changing the sign of this integer. This integer's, when sign is changed, it becomes -3. This +3 integer becomes -3. So working rule is change the sign of the subtrahend and add by the rule of adding integers. Let me mention the working rule here. So the working rule is, first one, change the sign of the subtrahend and the second rule is add by the rules for adding integers. And now we solve few questions. Let us solve. The first question is to subtract the following. Here you can observe few of the numbers here are literally larger. So we shall not take number line. We shall solve it in a direct way. I'll be telling how to solve this. A +12 subtracted from +9. +9 from +12. So from has to be written in the first, then we are subtracting +9. As we have learned, this problem can be changed as addition problem. So I'll write plus. Instead of +9, I'm going to take -9. I'll change the sign of this integer +9. When we do that, we have learned when addition of two integers of unlike signs are there, we are going to subtract from the larger absolute value the smaller absolute value, and we are going to take the sign of the larger absolute value. So the result obtained is +3. The first one is solved. Let me take the third one. -42 has to be subtracted from +74. So from 74 we need to subtract -42. As I discussed, this subtraction problem I'll change into addition problem by changing the sign of this number. So this turns out to be +42. It's same as adding two positive numbers. So the result obtained is 112. Let me solve the fifth one now. In the fifth one, we need to subtract 7 from +15. So it should be written as 15 minus 7. This problem can be changed into addition problem by changing the sign of the second integer. So when unlike signs are there, we are going to subtract the absolute values and take the sign of the larger absolute value. So positive 8 will be the answer. Let me take out the 7th one. Minus 7 to be subtracted from positive 15. This can be written as positive 15 minus 7. So positive 15, this I'll change into addition question, and this changed number of minus 7 is positive 7. So the result obtained is positive 22. Let me solve question 9. In the 9th question, literally we have got very large number 346 to be subtracted from 293. So from number has to be written in the first minus 346. This is same as adding minus 346 to 293. The addition of integer of unlike signs rule says that we need to subtract the absolute values and take the sign of the larger absolute value. Here the larger absolute value is minus, so minus is taken. So the result obtained is minus 6 minus 3 is 3. 14 minus 9 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the result obtained is negative 53. Question 11. Minus 100 minus of minus 59. We are going to subtract minus 59 from minus 100. This question I'll change into addition question. So minus 100 added to the changed number is 59. So addition of unlike signs, we need to subtract by taking the minus sign. So the result obtained is 41 but minus 41. Let us solve 13th question. Minus 350 subtracted from positive 200. So positive 200 to be written first, minus of minus 350. So this question I'll change into addition question by changing the sign of this negative 350, which is positive 350. Now it is same as adding two positive integers. So 550 is the result. Next question I'll solve 15th one. 0 to be subtracted from 247. 247 minus 0. When we subtract is number 0 from any number, we get the same result. Minus 247 is the result. Look at this. I have solved all the numbers. The questions which are odd numbers, even numbers I have left it out. These numbers, second one, fourth one, sixth one, eighth one, 10th, 12th, 14th and 16th, I want you to solve it on your own. In the next session, I will be telling the answers of those questions. That's all for today's session. Thank you.